Hey everyone guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be creating an ATS friendly resume using Overleaf guys, okay? Overleaf.com, which is the powerful latex editor, and we're going to be optimizing it with the Jobalytics resume keyword analyzer, which you can download from the Chrome Web Store, and it's free guys, okay? So let's get started guys. So first things first, you just want to head over to overleaf.com and you actually want to log in to your account. If you don't already have an account, don't worry guys, signing up is actually free and easy. You can just enter your email here and your password and sign up for free. That way then you verify email, or you can actually just sign up with Google. Okay, whichever suits your boat, you can do either. Okay, so don't worry about that. And once you're actually in, you want to search for a professional latex resume template in the gallery, guys. That's what you want to do. So let me show you just how you can do that. One moment, let me log in. All right, I am now logged in. They're asking me to try premium. I'm gonna skip this for now. You don't have to. And okay, this is the sign up process. Pioneer Legend. That's okay. That's okay. I can do continue. You can just skip all this process. Have you used latex before? You just do no, never. Continue. Where do you work or study? You can say that you're at university. Actually, let's just skip all this, guys. Let me just show you how to actually do the actual process. Now, you can come here, come to browse templates, or you can just click here on template. So what you're going to be doing is searching for a professional, latex resume template in the gallery, or you just want to use the modern resume or, awesome CV templates for clean, ATS compliant designs. So just search ATS resume. You can search that and you can get some nice amazing templates, guys. Okay, look at this 70 plus ATS resume template. You can download one of these. There are many of them. You can get modern ones like here. I can download this one. This is actually pretty good. Okay, this one's nice. We're going to be using this one. So once you have chosen your template, you should open the template and you want to begin customizing it, guys. Customizing it with your information. You can just click on open as template. And then guys, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be customizing it. So you can, what you want to actually do guys is actually focus on experience, education, and skills. You want to avoid any images, guys. Avoid any images, avoid any fancy fonts and columns, okay? As these might actually confuse the ATS systems. Now guys, actually comes the optimization part, right? So what you want to do here, you can edit everything, guys. Here you can edit stuff. So I hope you know how to do that. For example, name, I can put name Pioneer Legend as my name, and that should update it right here. And once it's going to update, so it's literally that easy and simple. I can just click on recompile and it would update the name. So what we need to do, guys, as you can see here, Pioneer Legend. So and now comes the actual optimization part. So what you need to do is you want to head over to the Chrome Web Store. Okay, you can just search your Jobalytics on Google, and then you want to click on the second option right here, Chrome Web Store. So what you're going to do, guys, you want to just install the Jobalytics Resume Keyword Analyzer. Uh, well, extension. You just want to click on Add to Chrome, and it would start adding to Chrome. And this actually is perfectly safe. Okay, there's 300,000 plus users. Now this tool is basically perfect for ensuring your resume basically aligns with your job description. Okay, how well your resume fits any job profile. So what you're going to be doing is once you've installed this, you're going to upload your job description to Jobalytics, and it will analyze the keywords and skills listed in the job post, and it's going to cross-check these with your resume content in Overleaf. So if you notice any gaps, you can strategically incorporate the relevant terms into your skills or experience sections, guys. Okay, that's what you can be doing here as well. They tell you what keywords to do, and basically, guys, once your resume draft is ready, you can download it as a PDF directly from Overleaf. And basically this actually ensures, so you want to do it from Overleaf, don't download it from here. I know you can't do that, but do not do it from here, because what's going to happen, guys, look, I want you to download it from Overleaf so that you can ensure that formatting stays intact for the ATS scans. Finally, guys, what you want to do is run the downloaded resume through Jobalytics again to get a match score, and if the score is low, you just want to keep tweaking the keywords in your Overleaf template and recheck. So you want to aim for a score above 80% actually to maximize your chances of passing the ATS screening, guys. And that's it, guys. Basically, by combining Overleaf and Jobalytics, you'll basically have a ATS friendly resume ready to impress your hiring managers. Guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. If you're having any trouble, comment down below and actually try to help you out. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can actually see you guys